this video, I'm going to do a step-by-step guide for the Zinus Bamboo bed frame. They make everything really easy by numbering each of the pieces, so you just need to connect the numbers together, which is super helpful. The first part is putting together the headboard. This is very easy to do. The only part that takes a little bit of time is connecting all those wooden headboard pieces, but it's not complicated, it's just a little tedious. The second part is connecting together the baseboard. This was super quick. I got it done in like 5 minutes. Now for the third part, which is assemble the outer frame. This is all just screwing in 2 screws to each side, and then you connect the whole bed frame together. Now you can see the whole bed frame is put together. I just need to add the middle support beam and lay down the slats, and this bed frame is finished and ready to use. Here's the final steps, laying down those slats. Altogether, this took me about an hour to do by myself. Having the pieces numbered so you can just connect the numbers made this whole process a breeze and really simple. I'm a big fan of the wooden headboard that comes with the actual frame. In the past, I've had like platform bed frames that I would need to connect a wooden headboard to them, and all that ended up happening was they would just knock together throughout the night and make a whole bunch of noise, so I'm glad that doesn't happen with this bed frame. Overall, this is a great looking bed frame. It was simple to put together. It's exactly what I wanted, so it gets 2 thumbs up from me.